That's good. You want something else?
Hi, I'm Fred Kaufman, Executive Producer for Nation. Please stay with us as we share more of Christmas in Yellowstone with you, including some behind-the-scenes
Okay.
from the very talented people that made this. We're joining me to film this, to Blaze Forever, all coming up. But first,
Yeah.
this opportunity
Put this.
to your support for Nation.
Decorate the Christmas tree.
We will thank you with a deep and beautiful
Yep.
what Tom Murphy spoke
They
on
gave me
Yellowstone in winter. And I'm
Yeah.
especially
these
excited
to come.
Who's coming?
The Santa Claus to get.
Santa Claus is gonna give you a gift?
Yeah.
Only if you're a good girl. Are you a good girl? How good are you? Very good or a little bit good?
Yeah.
What does Santa say? What does he say? What does he say?
Ho, ho, ho.
And what hat does Santa wear?
This one.
What does Santa do? He wears it? Let me see. Put it on. Yep. Now what does Santa say? Here we are. What does Santa say?
Oh, this is here.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. Maybe can you say ho, ho, ho?
Maybe Mickey Mouse went home.
Mickey Mouse? Really?
Maybe the bird came there.
Come on, let's decorate some more tree. How about this one? That's a good one?
Okay. But out.
Yep.
Okay, get broken.
Oh no! Oops. What happened?
I see it.
You do? Why did it drop? Should we try that again?
Yeah.
Yeah, here's a teddy bear, guys.
What the baby in there?
Yeah. Who's on that picture?
Baby.
Who's on the baby?
Kaya.
Skylar. How old are you?
Two.
How much?
Two.
And can you show Mama 2 on your fingers? Baby, how much is 2 on your fingers?
A twinkle baby.
Who's that baby? That's Skylar, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, can Mama see? Show Mama. Baby, can Mama see Skylar, baby? No, you see it. Oh, so cute. Good. Put Skylar, baby, on the tree. A Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Can you sing, Mom?
I know.
What color's the bolly?
Blue.
Yeah. What do you want to do with it? Uh-oh. It's okay. Mama will get it. I got it.
Let's take Ho-Ho up. Now we put Ho-Ho.
Okay, that's good.
Take that Ho-Ho.
Which ho-ho?
This one. So this why the Mickey Mouse in there?
Oh, really?
Put the lights.
Can you just put the hat and tell Mama Merry Christmas? Put the hat and then Mama say Merry Christmas. Put him on and we'll say Merry Christmas, everybody. Yeah, put him on quickly. Good. Okay, now can you say Merry Christmas, everybody?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
I love